Hi there, my name's Hannah and I'm from the Makaton Charity. And as you may be aware, we have now launched online training, which is really exciting because it means that you can now learn from the comfort of your own home, especially whilst you're all stuck at home. So what to expect from the training would be exactly the same that you would expect from face-to-face. So it's a combination of practical sessions which will boost your confidence in signing and give you the knowledge of some of the signs and symbols that are used, as well as presentations to give you the guidance and understanding of where it's come from and how we use it, and the difference between Makaton being a language programme and not a sign language. So, if you're interested in going on to training, you would need to go on to makaton.org/training/find training, where you'll then need to put in your postcode and find training nearest to you. Now, of course, if there's no training there, then broaden that search, but where possible, support the tutor local to your area. Upon confirmation of you paying, you would then receive a letter to let you know that you're going, and with that you would then receive a participant manual in the post, which is your guidance to support you alongside the training, as well as having all of the signs and symbols in there that you would have learnt. For you to participate in training, you will need a camera, and that will be on your laptop or your computer, and that's so that the tutor can really see you, so they can see your head, your hands and your torso, to support them with teaching you with how to sign. So, if you want to go into training, have a look onto our website. If you're still unsure, have a look at our FAQs below that may support your understanding, and if not, if you go on, have fun, give us some feedback, and most of all, stay safe and stay at home. Take care. Goodbye.